Ejiti Bhikkhve Silavato Chittapaniti Visuddhata. This is mentioned in Sankarupa Patti Sutta. In Sankarupa Patti Sutta, Buddha taught, if one person, he may have a desire to become next like Khadya Mahasala, Brahma Mahasala, Brahmana Mahasala or Ghavati Mahasala. Khadya Mahasala means very rich king. Brahma Mahasala says very rich Brahma, very rich Ghavati. If he have desire, and if he do many kusala karmas, it will produce according to his own desire. But in Chaka Silavato Vadamino Dosilasa, it will that kind of that kusala karmas will produce according to his desire. It is all a fact. For those who had purification of sila, for those who had not purification of sila, I cannot say Buddha does. So, according to that, so that if one had purification of sila, then his praying will be fulfilled, ejjati, because of the purification of sila. Ejjati Bhikkhve Silavato Chittapaniti. Chittapaniti means here the desire especially or praying. Chittapaniti Ejjati means will fulfill because of Parisuddhata, purification of sila. So sila is very important. So if they have purification of sila, suppose they are offering some flowers to the Buddha, they pray. That flower must be also yes. That flower also must be of the by right livelihood, by way of lawful, not unlawful. If you get suppose some requisite to offer, if you get by unlawful ways, that will not produce according to your own prayer. So that requisite must be lawful requisite. This is one cause. Then another cause is Supasana Teja. Your mind at that time, your mind must be purified. Mind also must be purified. Saddha, Avisaddha. At that time you must believe the cause and effect of your kusala karma. That belief is Kama Sakara, accompanied together with Kama Sakara Samadhi. If you have no Kama Sakara Samadhi, if you have no faith, accompanied together with that kind of Kama Sakara Samadhi, your kusala karma is very poor. Then kusala karma also cannot produce its own effect parallel. So, number one, you must have purification of sila. Second, your requisite must be lawful requisite. Third, your mind must be also purified at that time. Happily you should dance your kusala karma. Fourth, your kusala karma must be accompanied with Kama Sakara Samadhi. You must have faith accompanied together with Kama Sakara Samadhi knowledge. At that time you must know this kusala karma will produce that kind of effect. That knowledge is very important. Without believing this kind of kusala karma will produce that kind of effect, that kusala karma is not very strong. So if you have these fetters, then another fetter is receivers. Receivers also must have purification of sila. If these 5 fetters are full, then your kusala will be produced according to your prayer.